Today, you'll learn to discuss customer research and campaign execution in global marketing interviews. Imagine you are pitching a new campaign in a global meeting, and you need to explain how customer feedback shaped your launch decisions. To show strategic depth, don't just talk about advertising budgets. You need to explain how you resolve pain points and build trust. Let's start with the noun campaign, which means a series of planned actions, like advertisements, to achieve a specific business goal. Next, we have the compound noun pain points, representing the specific problems or difficulties that customers experience. To describe starting a product release, we use the verb or noun launch, meaning to start or introduce a new product or service. Next is the noun trust, which is a strong belief in the reliability, truth, or strength of a brand or product. Finally, we have the verb to promote, which means to make people aware of a product, service, or company. They sent products to creators. Build consumer trust. Choose the correct expression of purpose to complete the sentence. The correct answer is in order to. We use in order to followed by a base verb to explain the strategic purpose of a business action. Now repeat after me out loud. We launched a campaign to promote the product. We launched a campaign to promote the product. We must resolve key customer pain points. We must resolve key customer pain points. In this lesson, we practice discussing product campaigns, consumer trust, and using expressions of purpose like in order to. Practice your own voice in a supportive, friendly environment on Career Talk Lab. Record your voice and get instant pronunciation feedback. See you in the next lesson.